In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable compatibility mode in Microsoft Word document. If you open an older Microsoft Word document, you may notice that compatibility mode is displayed at the top of the document. This mode is designed to help older Word files work with newer versions of Microsoft Word. However, if you want to turn compatibility mode off and upgrade the document to the newer file format, you can do that directly from Word. As you can see at the top of the document, compatibility mode is currently turned on. Our goal is to convert this document to the newer Word file format so that compatibility mode is removed. To begin, go to the top left corner of Microsoft Word and click on File. This will open the File menu and take you to the Backstage area, where you can access different document options. Once you're in the File menu, look at the options on the left side. Find and click on Info. This section contains information and settings related to the document you currently have open. Now, look for the compatibility mode option. You should see an option labeled Convert. This is the option we need to use to upgrade the document to the newer file format. Click on Convert. Word will then display a confirmation message explaining that your document will be upgraded to the newest file format. The message also provides additional information about what happens when the document is converted. Since we want to upgrade the document and turn off compatibility mode, click OK to continue. Microsoft Word will now convert the document to the newer file format. The process should only take a moment, and once it is complete, you will be returned to your document. Now look at the top of the Word window again. You should notice that compatibility mode has disappeared. This means that the document has successfully been converted to the newer file format, and compatibility mode is now turned off. This method is useful when you're working with an older Word document and want to use the features and capabilities available in the newer version of Microsoft Word. Converting the document also makes it easier to work with the current Word file format. Remember, the main process is to open the File menu, select Info, locate Compatibility Mode, click Convert, and then confirm the conversion by clicking OK. And that's how you can disable compatibility mode in Microsoft Word by converting an older document to the newer file format. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,